can receive personalized reports.
Oh, that's the reason why.
Kelly Cassie's the rock, the stability, the parent in the room.
Got so much to look at, so much to keep track of.
Reynolds Wolf, Dr. Greg Postel.
Look at that satellite picture. My goodness.
We make each other laugh.
I mean, you have to be really impressed with the stimulus convection. I mean, it's got to really bring a smile to your face if you happen to be a fan. It's all about getting you ready for your weekend. It's not that complex, although I do advise wearing a crash helmet.